We have another property for sale. It's a beach lot property. The size is 2,600 square meters at a package price of 25,000 pesos per square meter. Located in Barangay Biking, Dawis, Bohol. So it's part of Barangay Biking, Dawis, Bohol. A beach property. So ingon ana guys nga sistema. So our 2,600 square meters is along to the shoreline at 25,000 pesos per square meter. Located in Barangay Biking, Dawis, Bohol in Panglao Island. So Panglao Island yapon guys. So Panglao Island is a tourist destination in Bohol, just few minutes drive from Panglao International Airport. So na Panglao International Airport and few minutes drive from Tagbilaran City guys. So dool ra siya gyud. Then mao ni ang mga shoreline or beach line. Dili kayo daghan og balas guys, pero ba naman ta nga in the name of Panglao Island, purya-buyag yun ang mga presyo sa mga beach diri. Although kung may kaya yun ta guys, okay ra yun ang pila may maikuha ng 2,600 at 25,000 pesos per square meter. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. I repeat, 2,600 square meters at 25,000 pesos per square meter in Biking, Dawis, Bohol in Panglao Island. So nadire dapita guys ang property for sale. Thank you.